arrived in Florence.
Ang chungak-chungak, sinakap ang sarili.
Sino gustong bumaba sa parking ngayon? Tingnan mo, maka-experience yung flickering light na pang-horror. Andito yun.
Room tour. Ang kalat na ng mga gamit. This is the bed, may extra bed, and the bathroom. Okay. Ito tayo. We're on our way to the mall. Syempre, we're in Florence. We must do it right. We should go shopping.
Bakas ka muna, pastulin mo yung mga tupa.
Para may pang shopping. We are here at the mall. Our first place in Florence. Busabos in outlet mall, designer outlet mall. We have a 100 euro challenge. Anong mamimili was 100 euro?
Sige ha, 100 euro.
Eating Asian food in Italy.
So actually, they didn't care about the facade. They said, let's make something bigger than this, bigger than that. The Medici family decided to be represented by bowls. Here you can notice the symbol of the Medici family, the bowls. Can you? Between the glasses of the windows, there are the bowls. And the bowls means the palace belongs to the Medici family. Really? So, from here, from this point of view, you can really see how huge this building is. Consider that people in the medieval times could see exactly what you see. So, this was incredible. So, it is still the palace of the government. That means that the major comes here every day and enters the offices of this palace. So if you want, you can buy the ticket and visit this museum. You can climb the tower and reach the top, and the view from up there is fantastic. Okay. Uffizi Gallery, because you will see Michelangelo, Botticelli, Raffaello, Leonardo da Vinci, you will see Tiziano, Caravaggio, all of them. They are all here. Okay.
We're gonna have dinner here at Mamma Mia.
Ano yung sa carbonara?
We're here at the Trinity Bridge. La Trinita.
Ano?
Hindi nakinig kay teacher.
This is the Ponte Vecchio. Ano ba? Ponte Vecchio. That's the oldest bridge in Florence.
Kumakanta. This is a replica of the Statue of David. These are all the original art, except for the Statue of David. Good morning.
Allora.
Bene.
Bene.
Good luck mamaya. We're on our way to our last leg of the amazing race.
Final climb.
So you are ascending the Brunelleschi's dome. It has 463 steps. It's not for the faint of heart and not for the claustrophobic. Oh my god.
We have reached level 1.
Can you see it? Can you see? Oh my god. Look at that view. So worth it. It is a nice experience.
Interesting lesson. They will explain you everything about how to drink the wine in the best way. So it's very interesting. And then you're going to taste 5 different wines and some local products. Uno, Chianti! Chianti!
We're doing our wine tour.
This one is the basic version. We produce other 2 varieties of this wine. We produce the selection and the riserva. The selection, the name is Nicchiaio. The riserva, the name is Le Mandorle. The taste is more fresh and fruity instead this one that is more dry and sharp. This one is more fresh and fruity. This one is Trebbiano, Malvasia and Chardonnay grapes.
Wine ko na sure ka na ba? Maliit lang bili natin, no? Kay 375 pag souvenir. Ang bibiling ko yung ano, sweet wine.
Hindi ko natikim.
This ito, fruity. Hawak din sa uminom ng Jelsa.
Welcome to all of you. This wine is a 300-year-old. This is one of the 5 companies we own. This is really the most important one because we are very close to Florence here in San Gimignano. In this winery here we make the white wine that we're going to test in a second. We make the extra virgin olive oil and the Chianti. For the moment I don't want to tell you nothing about the wine. I let you enjoy first, then I'll come back and I'll give you all the information about it. Remember, the glasses are in the same order with the bottle of wine. So, information about the white wine. I don't know if you had a little taste. What you think? Was good? It's very fruity. It's very dry. In the white wine is Vernaccia, which is one of the clones of the Pinot Grigio. It's perfect with appetizers. You have cheeses, salami, seafoods and fishy. It's crisp and refreshing and contain very less percentage of alcohol. Don't keep any white wine more than 4 years old. The white wine go bad. Enjoy the white wine young. If you want to make Vernaccia of San Gimignano, you must grow the Vernaccia grape in the 68 hectares of the DOCG San Gimignano. If you want to make Brunello of Montalcino, which is one of the most prestigious wine we have, you must grow the Sangiovese only in the Montalcino DOCG area. So DOCG are wines certified by the government. This one is not certified by the government, so we are free to do what we like with this wine. Moving forward, the first red wine, the Morellino di Scansano. This is one of the lightest red wine we make. This wine is made in Scansano, near the city of Grosseto, which is by the ocean, by the water. Okay, so the area is flat, but contain a lot of salt, mineral and nutriment, and all came from the marine breeze. The grape, 100% Sangiovese. The second red wine, this is one of the most expensive red wine we make. It's expensive for one simple reason. To make one bottle, we need 5 years in total.
Wow.
We don't make many of these, we make only 200 cases. So one case is 12 bottles. The name of the area, Montalcino, is about 1.5 hours from here. It's a very mountain area. So the soil is extremely fertile because it's a volcanic soil. When we grow the grape of Sangiovese over there, the grape became bigger. And that's why we call them Sangiovese Grosso, Sangiovese big grape. More sugar in the grape. When we ferment, more sugar became more alcohol. That's why this is a heavy wine. 15% alcohol inside. Wine to enjoy with steak, T-bone, barbecue, lamb, ribeye, spicy food. Heavy wine for heavy and fatty food. This is an investment wine too. Why? Because the value of a good Brunello of Montalcino go up every single year. And the last wine is a Super Tuscan Cavaliere. The grapes in this wine are two. 30% of Merlot grape we grow here in Tuscany, outside of Florence, and the rest is 70% this is Sangiovese, so the local grape. This wine, before we sell, okay, we let age for 1 year in the barrel of oak, 1 year in the barrel of chestnut, 1 year in the barrel of cherry. And then we put in the bottle, 8 months to sleep for the affinement process, and then it's ready. And in this wine, we smell vanilla, cherry, berry, and in the end, a little bit of chocolate. Perfect wine to enjoy with heavy food without fat. The noble part of the beef, so the filet mignon. Other prestigious animal will be wild animal. The one that we hunt, boar, wild boar, cinghiale, deer, venison, wild rabbit. Big wine for big food without fat. So this is a trick. Left hand. Switch now in your right hand in this way, middle finger down, two finger up. Swirl for a couple of seconds. Don't be shy. We have plenty of these glasses. Cover now by the palm of your hand in this way, very fast movement, and then be ready. 1, 2, and 3. Big smell. Now, I want to share with you the truffle oil. So this is amazing. You're gonna love this one. We can put over the risotto. We can put any pasta on top of bruschetta. Meat. You know, we do meat, right? On a steak. Yeah. Just a few drops on top. This is also known to be very aphrodisiac. Salute to you. Cheers. Bless you.
Tasting some of the best wines in one of the world's beautiful wine regions is truly something incredible. Learning a thing or two on how they are made and best enjoyed is an experience that we would never forget. While some of us may have indulged in a little too much good wine,
Nubos ni wine connoisseur lahat ng pinatikim. Sulit na sulit.
It was our last night in Florence and we had to try one last thing before saying goodbye to this magnificent city.
We still have 1 day left in Florence, and we were rewarded with clear, sunny skies, so we decided to stroll around and soak in its beauty one last time.
Last night in Italy and we're in Rome. This is our last and final accommodation. We're staying at the Independent Hotel. We have the view of the Roma Termini. Last breakfast in Rome.
Back and working. Kayod na bukas. Ang bawi sa nabutas na bulsa. I love Florence!